Let's put the colour changing Chameleon Beauty Blender to the test. Look, it's changing colour just under the warmth of my fingers. The shape of this beauty blender is really good because it has the flat side here, which I am just going to use on my cheeks to blend out. Look at that. It makes it so easy because the way it just lays flat to the skin. It's really soft as well. So previously to this video, I did dampen the sponge. I haven't used a beauty blender to apply my foundation in a while. I normally use a brush, but this is making the process really easy, and I can use the angled bit here, the pointy bit, to get right round those edges. Look at the coverage that has gave my skin. I'm now going to use it to apply my contour. And I find with a sponge, applying all your cream products makes it so quick and efficient. So if you're needing to go somewhere really quickly, this is the way forward. But look how that is just blending out products beautifully. I'm going to use the precise end to contour my nose. I used to always use a beauty sponge to do my makeup. Then I went on to brushes, but now I remember why I liked a beauty blender, because it just makes it so much more quicker. Now I'm going to do my concealer with it. It is so squidgy, I can literally squeeze it to get right in there. I mean, that can go right underneath the eyes as easy as anything, but look how easy this is making my base makeup. And not gonna lie, the blend on it is beautiful, and I'm going to use the pointy bit just to do my concealer on my nose. I use the edge to blend it right out. This has made my makeup so easy to apply. It's blended out beautifully. I'm going to go ahead, finish my makeup, and then we'll come back. And this is the finished results. Love the way this applied my cream products. It just made placement really easy, really quick. Like, my makeup was done so quick, and the finished results just look so nice. So yeah, and it's only £5, so the link is there, guys.